sunshine around. Not much at the moment, and indeed even not much across Europe. If we look at the satellite sequence, there's this great big swirl of cloud around a huge area of low pressure. It's even spawning some thunderstorms across the southernmost parts of Spain, but the eastern Mediterranean not doing too badly, as indeed is Eastern Europe. But a good scattering of showers and outbreaks of rain in those northern European cities in the next couple of days. And even the south now is getting somewhat cooler. The temperatures are not as high as they used to be. And there will be some showers into Madrid. But let's have a look at the British outlook now. And we've got this large area of low pressure on our doorstep. That's going to be around for a day or two. But eventually, as you can see here, it will go back the way it came, meander away eastwards. And that's going to allow a large area of high pressure to come and settle down on top of us. And high pressure should mean that it gets more settled, drier and brighter. Not necessarily, though, particularly warm, but it's a grey old look to the weather here in London. Leaden skies and outbreaks of rain are not very far away. In fact, we've had this rain moving in from the east during the night and during this morning too. Large weather systems swirling and swinging in towards us, and it's now brought some heavy rain into eastern Scotland and parts of northern England. But there is a little bit of brightness out there on the North Sea that could well come into some eastern counties of England. So the whole thing moving slowly but surely westwards during the course of the rest of the day. So that means that some of the brightness in the west will be replaced by thickening cloud and some outbreaks of rain, whereas in the east it may well brighten up, but of course if it does so, then we're going to find some heavy showers coming along. Jolly cold along that eastern coast and not particularly warm anywhere, except in one or two sheltered spots where perhaps it brightens up and across in the west. The low pressure close by for the rest of the night, so further showers and longer outbreaks of rain in many parts of the country, and by that time some of the thicker cloud will have spread into the west as well. But it isn't going to be a particularly cold night. The low pressure is still there into Thursday, so again a cool day, a lot of cloud around, showers and longer outbreaks of rain. Beginning to get brighter and drier again though in the west, and as the low pulls away on Friday and the high begins to come in, so on Friday it's the southeastern corner that sees the last of the showers. Many other northern and western parts of the country by then getting brighter and drier and warmer. And then over the weekend, as the high homes in, it should be dry with a good deal of sunshine virtually everywhere away from